math today. Write everything down and pause your video, and then we'll correct together. Go! Whoa. That was fast. You're back quickly. I hope you got the right answers. Here we go. Number 1, 3 times 7. Woo! Oh, well, that was fun to get your blood pumping. When you hear the music, you get up and dance. All right, here we go. 3 times 7 is 21. So 4 times 7 is just 7 more, 28. Then we're moving on to number 2, subtraction. Can I take 2 away from 0? No, I cannot. We've got 10, and this is a 5. 10 minus 2 is 8. Can I take 9 away from 5? No, I cannot. This is 3. I'm going to move the 10 over. So now I've got 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 3 minus nothing is 3. 368. Next one. Can I take 2 from 1? No, I cannot. 11 minus 2 is 9. Can I take 8 from 1? No, I cannot. Move it over. 11 minus 8 works, and that would be 3. 4 minus nothing is 4. 439. Write the correct symbol. Is it less than, equal to, or greater than? Let's look at our numbers. 1,264, 1,642. 1,000 is the same, but this has 2 hundreds where this one has 6 hundreds. So that makes this number larger. So my alligator is going to eat this number. So 1,264 is less than 1,642. I don't know if you could see these dollars, but there was a 5, a 10, a 1, and a 1. If you didn't see them and you need to write it real quickly, go ahead. 5, 10, 1, 1. What did that make? How many dollars? $17. And we're going to put a decimal point 00 to show that it was even, no cents. Okay? Number 5, Alex got $15.75, $13, and $11.25. How much money all together? So I'm going to circle my data and write it out. 15.75, line up the decimal points. $13, $11.25. 5 plus 5 is 10, regroup. 1 plus 7 plus 2 is 10, regroup. 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring down my decimal point. My answer is $40 even. Very good. Let's go ahead and get out our math books and open up to page 663. 663. Okay, we're making bar graphs today. Are you ready? Let's look at this bar graph on page 663. What does the title tell you about the data in the graph? So I'm going to look at the title, and the title reads, Writing Tools in the Box. So it's all about writing tools. How many different kinds of writing tools are in the box? So I'm going to look at the bottom of the bar graph and find the different kinds of writing tools. Chalk, crayon, marker, pencil. That makes, yes, 4. Good. How many writing tools are pencils? I'm going to go to the pencil bar. It is yellow. Go up to the top, and it's lined up with 5. So there are 5 pencils. How many writing tools are chalk or markers? Remember that or was kind of tricky last time? Now, they want you to put the chalk and the markers together because they want to know which ones are not chalk or markers. Okay, so that means we have to count crayons and pencils. Crayon was 4, pencils 5. Now, I'm going to put those together because they are not chalk or markers. And we get 4 plus 5 is 9. How do you find the number of writing tools that are in the box? So they want to know all the writing tools. How would you find that out? By writing them together. You got it. I mean, adding them together. What did you get? Did you get 12? Good thing, because it's 15. 15 writing tools. Write that down on the line next to writing tools. Okay, let's turn the page. 664. We're going to make some more bar graphs. Let's look at model and draw at the top. Complete the bar graph to show this data. Notice they did Abel for you. They made a bar up to the 2. They did Brad for you. They made a bar up to the 4. The next one is Kara. Kara read 1 book. So you were going to make a bar up to the 1. Yes. And Lynn read how many books? 3. That's right. Now Lynn's bar is going to be up to the 3. Let's look at this graph that we just made. It's about books that were read. The left side of the graph showed number of books. The bottom of the graph showed all the children that read the books. Okay, and it's labeled that way. All right, we're moving on to share and show in the middle of the page. Ella is making a bar graph to show the kinds of pets her classmates have. So we are going to make bars. They already did 5 dogs, so you need to do 7 cats. Good, make a bar up to 7. 2 birds, make a bar up to 2. And 3 fish. Make a fish, don't make a fish. Make a bar up to 3 for the fish. Okay. We are going to write labels. So, but first, get up and dance. Woo! Get a little pep in your step? Me too. All right, so our labels at the top of the chart, the title, let's put Our Pets. Remember, it's a title, capital O, capital P. Along the left side, what is that showing us? Number of classmates or number of children, either one, but capitalize it, it's also a title. And then along the bottom, what is the bottom showing? Pets with a capital P. Very good. All right, we finished number 1, on to number 2. How will the graph change if one more child gets a bird? Think about it. How will the bar change? Will all the bars change or just one? That's right, just the bird bar. It would just go up by 1 and now it would be up to the 3. All right. Super. Let's go ahead and go on. We're on to 665. Okay. Now they've given you some more data and you are going to make the whole bar graph now. Add the title on the top, alongside, and the bottom, and then the 4 bars. Look at the data to know how long your bars should be. All right? Go ahead and pause your video while you make this graph. Oh, you're back. Okay, let's go ahead and check it. Did you write favorite pizza topping for the title? Toppings along the left? And number of classmates on the bottom? If you had something close to that, that's great. Just make sure they're capital, remember? Except for the teeny tiny words like of. All right, your bars. Peppers. How long is pepper bar? 4. Meat. 7. Lots of people like meat on their pizza. Mushrooms, ooh, that's what I love. 5. And olives. Not for me, but maybe you like them. 2. Now we're ready for our questions. Multi-step, hot, hot, hot. Number 4. Did more classmates choose peppers and olives over meat? So we have to put peppers and olives together. So we get 4 and 2, which is 6. And then we look at meat, which is, 7. So did they? No, meat was still more popular than peppers and olives together. Number 5, which 3 toppings were chosen by a total of 13? So what are you going to do? Yeah, just hunt and peck around, adding them together until you get to 13. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause. All right, you should have chosen peppers, meat, and olives. That makes 13. Okay, moving right along to 666. Alrighty, this is your daily assessment. Task. Daily task. But, oh, I was going to say, but dance first, but we don't have to. You can get right to it. All right, do your assessment task, and then we will check her out. Go ahead and pause. Alrighty. Back again! Woo! Okay. Let's look at our bars. Oh, my hair is kind of itching me. All right, bear bar, 6. Lion bar, 4. Tiger bar, 7. And zebra bar, 3. Analyze. How many children voted for their favorite zoo animal? Well, they're all zoo animals. So what am I going to do? Yep, add them together, and I hope you got 20. Number 8. Number 8. Look at the bar graph above. Which animal did the most children choose? The highest bar is tiger. Okay, friends, go ahead and tear out the yellow pages, 667, 668. 667, 668. Okay. 667, 668, tear it out. This is the only one I need to see back on my link. Go slowly and think, okay? Don't rush. Oh, this is too easy. No, slow and steady wins the race. All right? Okay, take care. We'll see you later.